people of the internet. This time I've got something cool, straight from the Noctua, straight from Austria. It says on the box, Das Chromax LTT. Okay, a trusted knife, Tonto Katana. Let's open it. Bam! 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 Whoa! 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 Wee! Wow! Whoa! This box is huge. Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! Noctua NH-D15 chromax.black. Linus Tech Limited Emit. What? I've got Linus Tech How I pronounced it this wrong. Linus Tech Limited Edition. Okay. Okay, Linus. Now you have your own heatsink. That is next level. Oh wow. Look at it. It smells wonderful. I love this smell. Standard color Noctua inside boxes. Well, if the inside box would be also black, it would be better presentation, but this is the normal Noctua colors. Anyway. You have the fans. Black chromax fans. Okay, nice packaging. Anyway, let's leave it here, and that's the thing. That's the thing there. Okay. Huge box. Wow. It looks awesome. Look at it. Black. That's the ash black. Matte ash black. It's not gloss finish. It's a fingerprint magnet. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Okay, so that's the sticker from Linus with original sign. This is not original sign, but Linus Sebastian, partnership in PC industry developed many ways. Okay, read this. Pause the video if you want to read this, because I really don't care. What else do we have here? Manuals. I don't know what this is. A piece of bracket, but I don't know to which socket. And those are the Linus Tech Tips limited edition things. Fan absorbing things. Let me pull out one. Is this a good quality? Yes, looks good, looks very good. It has B, and what's on this one? And also BI, so I don't know. It looks good quality, my friend, good quality. And also some stickers. Oh, Linus Tech Tips sticker. And Linus Tech Tips from, it's a sticker you can put it on your fan. But I will not do this. I bought the chrome black Noctua to be a chrome black. I don't want this kind of flashy colors on my Noctua. I want it to be black, super black. Okay. What else do we have here? Oh wow, they all black, very nice. Black bracket. I know the previous bracket was also black. And yes. Oh, look at we have a very nice key. Okay. What kind of thermal paste is inside? Is this the new one? Is this the old one? Noctua badge. Oh, this is aluminum. This is not plastic, aluminum badge. Very nice. And yeah, standard Noctua paste, thermal paste. No, the H2 is the new one. H1 is the old one. So, well, it was very expensive. Why you give me the old one? You should supposed to give me the new one. I will pay more, a little bit more, not too much, but I want the new one. Come on. Anyway, the difference is probably so minor that you won't even see it. And yeah, the new things. This is for the. This will hold your extra fan. And noise level adapter, which I will not use. Like you can see, the cable management okay. A little dust. Don't worry about it. I'm not living in an iPod, so a little dust is necessary. You understand? Now I have a silver one, original one. And this is also original, but this is the previous one. Yeah, previous one. A little custom tweaks, because I have the chromax Noctua fan, this is black one. But wait a minute. No, it's the same. Okay. I was the different lighting is more black here than here. You understand? So we need to remove it and put the new one. Let's go to the floor and do it. Let's do it on the floor, because my table is too expensive and my fiance will kill me. You understand? We need to go to the floor. For dust, I use a silent Chris electric air pump, which is for the pool toys, boats, and everything. It is very cheap and it's working, but it's very loud. I have a different endings here, so I basically use this one because this one is pointy and give you very nice. Yes, I used this thermal paste previously, thermo grizzly clean out, how you want to pronounce it, I don't know. It should be the best of the best. Look what happened after 6 months of use. Now this is completely dry. To clean the processor, I use paper towels and very good spiritus. Spiritus is good.
Spiritus is good. 95%.
Yes, 95% good Polish spiritus. Look, see it? 95%. Very nice. Now let me show you how nice it is. Take some spiritus. Smells very good. Don't drink too much, but anyway. Oh yes, look. Can you see the blue flame? Oh yes, and smells nice. See a little bit of blue flame there. Oh, it's getting hot. Yes, good spiritus. Blue flame means the spiritus is good. Now let's take some spiritus and clean your processor. One moment. Very good spiritus. Okay. Now let's assembly the rest. You understand? Now the old one is 1150 grams. Now the new one 1177. A few more grams because of the paint. Paint job weighs something. Other than that, it's the same beautiful heatsink. And there you have it. Looks awesome. Rocking 5 gigahertz, so it's powerful and quiet. Very quiet. That's why I love Noctua. I recommend this product. Very nice. I got the Linus Tech Tips. Come on. Version. Don't know why. Maybe they all from Linus. Very cool. I definitely will not use the Linus Tech Tips orange things because it will not match my color combo. Sell the old one to recover some money because it's not cheap, but you will get a lot from your money, my friend. A lot from your money. 5 gigahertz. What do you need more? 9900K, RTX, and quiet. That's what I need for movies and games. Thanks for watching and goodbye.